If you're looking for practicality without giving up flavor, this recipe will surprise you. We start with 160 grams of pasta, the kind everyone loves. Put them in a colander and pour hot water over them. Simple, but we're already on the right track. While the noodles are resting, let's prepare the magic mixture. In a bowl, add 2 eggs, 30 milliliters of soy sauce, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of olive oil and a little paprika. Mix everything together until smooth. It's the seasoning that will give our recipe its charm. Add the noodles to the mixture and mix everything well. Make sure each piece of noodle is well coated in the seasoning. It's time to bring the flavors together. Heat a frying pan with a drizzle of olive oil and pour in the pasta mixture. Cook over a low heat for 5 minutes, allowing all the flavors to blend and the noodles to crisp up. Turn the noodles over to make sure both sides are golden and crispy. Now it's time to add pepperoni to taste, the more the better. And, of course, 70 grams of mozzarella to melt and create that irresistible effect. Leave to fry until the cheese is completely melted. Finish with a little parsley and chives to give it that fresh, colorful touch. And voila! Our pizza-style noodle meal is ready and looks wonderful, doesn't it? See how simple and quick it is. If you loved this recipe as much as I did, don't forget to like the video and follow our page for more delicious tips like this. Enjoy and see you next time.